Day 22 of our March Madness. We're going to roll down through the spine. So we're going to start from the very top of the spine. We're going to think of the back of the neck lengthening as if you're shining a light out of the back of the neck. Now let the ribs soften in the front and imagine that your spine is peeling off a wall like a piece of wallpaper. Bend your knees as you bring your pelvis over the top of your thigh bones to reach down towards the floor. Inhale at the bottom, feeling heavy and floppy. Now exhale, start from your tummy. Pick your tummy up off your thighs, drop your tailbone down, and then slowly walk your spine up like that imaginary wallpaper being stuck back up onto the wall. And the head just comes up in line, making sure you're not flaring your ribs. And we'll do that again, peeling yourself like a piece of wallpaper, slowly peeling off the wall, softening your knees so you're not straining your back as you get towards the bottom. Inhale at the bottom. Exhale, lift your tummy to roll your pelvis over the top of your thigh bones, and then slowly walking your spine up and finding that lovely length right up through the crown of your head and weight down through your feet.